Hello friends, welcomes you Score 100 the complete success, a free competitive exam preparation channel. Subscribe for free videos. दोस्तों हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए लाल बटन को दबाएं, साथ ही घंटी के बटन को जरूर दबाएं जिससे आने वाली वीडियोज़ का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाए। शेयर करें अपने दोस्तों को व्हाट्सएप, फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, ट्विटर, ब्लॉगर इत्यादि पर। एक लाइक ज़रूर करें। वीडियो पसंद आए तो कमेंट्स या सजेशन हमें प्लीज़ 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 ज़रूर भेजें। थैंक यू। सीटेट पेपर सेकंड फरवरी 2015, अंग्रेजी सेकंड, इंग्लिश सभी एग्जाम्स में महत्वपूर्ण है। यह कैंडिडेट शुड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग पार्ट्स ओनली इफ दे हैव ऑप्टेड फॉर द इंग्लिश एज लैंग्वेज। सेकंड, परीक्षार्थी निम्नलिखित भाग के प्रश्नों का उत्तर केवल तभी दें यदि उन्होंने भाषा सेकंड का विकल्प अंग्रेजी चुना हो। बढ़ते हैं प्रश्नों की तरफ। पार्ट 5, लैंग्वेज सेकंड, इंग्लिश। डायरेक्शंस: read the passage given below and answer the questions that follow. Question number 121 to 129 by selecting most appropriate options. The nation is proud of its scientists and scholars, though of course many of them would reply that they doubt whether the nation them at all. When asked why many of our best and brightest have gone abroad to make a living, they opine that this is because as a nation we have not cared for the talented and meritorious. There is some truth is what they say, however, by and large compared to the situations before independence, government assistance has provided a tremendous opportunity for higher education. If today Indian scientists, technologists, and the scholars in different fields are respected worldwide, it is because of the education system we have built up. Our excellence is evidenced within the confines of the limited opportunities which are available for research and development in the universities and the national R&D laboratories. We believe and appeal that the scientists and researchers and scholars should set their pessimism. There are many reasons for it. We know that the problems they face, especially the younger ones and also those who are not in positions of power in these situations, the so-called middle levels and lower levels. We appeal to these people to think big because they are the only ones who understand the force of technological modernization and the new energies that can be unleashed through technologies. They also have the capability to absorb the knowledge base which is growing at an explosive rate. Question number 121. What is the ironic about our pride in our scientists? The right answer is option number 1. They go abroad to make a living. Question number 122. What happens to our best scientists? Right answer is option number 4. They don't get respectable jobs here. Question number 123. After independence, how has the situation changed in India? Right answer is option number 4. Our system of higher education has improved a lot. Question number 124. Our scientists have proved to be excellent even if option number 3 is right answer, if we offer them limited opportunities. Question number 125. The writer wants our scientists to. The right answer is option number 2. Be optimistic in their attitude. Question number 126. Which one of the following is true? And right answer is option number 1. Our scientists are respected all over the world. Question number 127. The writer makes an appeal to. Right answer is option number 2, both the middle and lower level scientists. Question number 128. The phrase at an explosive rate means. Right answer is option number 3, at a great speed. Question number 129. The word opposite in meaning to unleashed is. Right answer is option number 1, controlled. Unleashed opposite is controlled. Directions: read the passage given below and answer the questions that follow. Question number 130 to 135 by selecting most appropriate options. My heart grieved when I read the other day a news item that more than two-thirds of the elderly are being ignored in their twilight years. They are isolated by their own children and are experiencing loneliness in their present lives. Most of them say that they are not being respected or given good treatment by their family or society, and they are being discriminated against their old age. Majority of the elderly attitude attributed their loneliness to no or little interactions with family members, with fast changing socio-economic scenario, growing nuclear family, and changing value systems. The needs of the elderly have also changed. The most common problem that the elderly face are marginalization, lack of love and affection from their loved ones, little or no access to medicines and healthcare, finding it difficult to secure their life and property. They have no work opportunities, as a result of which they face financial problems. They suffer from restricted mobility and have psychological problems on account of loneliness. To improve the situations for the elderly, the government of India may consider the enacting a law like many other countries have to make it compulsory for children to maintain and look after their parents, and also establish the National Commission for Elderly Persons. At the same time, the fact remains that the real compulsion has to come out of the bonds of affection between the parents and children. We would not be wrong in saying that in India, the joint family system has made a powerful contribution in cementing the bonds of affection between the old and the young. Question number 130. The twilight years are when one is. The right answer is option number 2, old. Question number 131. The elderly do not feel. The elderly do not feel. The right answer is option number 1, respected. Question number 132. What the elderly do not lack. Right answer is option number 2. Answer number 2 is loneliness in their lives. Question number 133. The only can keep the old united with the family. The right answer is option number 3, joint family system. Question number 134. Which one of the following is false? Right answer is option number 4. The most old age are financially secure. It is wrong or false. While the old love to live in extended families, the old are not very mobile. One's needs change when one gets old. All these are true. While the most of old age are financially secure, this is false. Question number 135. Which word in the passage means the same as saddened? The right answer is option number 3, grieved. Saddened, exact meaning is grieved. Directions: answer the following question by selecting the most appropriate option. Question number 136. 4. Process writing. Which one of the following point should be followed? The right answer is option number 3. Logical sequence is correct answer. Question number 137. Problems of spelling error of the students can be easily solved through. The right answer is option number 2. Dictation. By dictation. The problem of spelling errors of students can be. Question number 138. Dash is a prerequisite to learning language. The right answer is option number 1. Motivation. Question number 139. Cognitive code approach focus more dash. And right answer is option number 3. Grammar rules. The cognitive code approach focus more grammar rules. Question number 140. According to which one of the following linguist language cannot be substandard, may be non-standard? Option number 1 is the right answer. William Labov. William Labov. Question number 141. Which one of the following is not a language component? Right answer is option number 2. Script is not a component of language, while structure, vocabulary, sound are the component of language. Question number 142. Decoding stands for. Decoding stands for. The right answer is option number 1. Deciphering the sounds in words and sentence. Question number 143. In order to improve the learner's punctuation, a teacher first need to. The right answer is option number 1. Use recorded models of sound. Question number 144. Intensive reading stands for. Intensive reading stands for. The right answer is option number 3. Reading the text in part 4 details is the right answer. Question number 145. Scanning is a reading activity which helps the learners to dash from or of the text. The right answer is option number 1. Draw out information. Question number 146. A good listener is. A good listener can. The right answer is option number 1. Correctly respond to the every question asked. Question number 147. Constructivist approach to language learning promotes. The right answer is option number 1. A child-centered approach. Constructivist approach to language learning promotes a child-centered approach. Question number dash is the father of modern linguistics. The right answer is option number 4. Ferdinand de Saussure. Ferdinand de Saussure is the father of modern linguistics. Question number 149. A phoneme is a. A phoneme is a. Right answer is option number 4. Single sound unit. A phoneme is a single sound unit. Question number 150. In order to have language proficiency, which one is not essentially required? The right answer is option number 1. Efficiency. Efficiency is not essential required for the language proficiency. दोस्तों आशा करते हैं कि ये सभी क्वेश्चन आगामी परीक्षाओं में, चाहे वो सीटेट हो या सीटेट के अलावा कोई अन्य कॉम्पिटिटिव परीक्षा हो, उसमें निश्चित रूप से ये आपके महत्व की प्रश्न साबित हो सकते हैं और आपको सफलता दिलाने में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभा सकते हैं। अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को अभी सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें, चाहे घंटी के बटन को दबा दें जिससे नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाए। साथ ही वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें अपने मित्रों में, दोस्तों में, जिससे उन्हें भी इस वीडियो के द्वारा सफलता मिल सके। धन्यवाद दोस्तों वीडियो को देखने के लिए।